wanted to know Pradhan, wanted to know or inquired, ENQUIRED, inquired. Second rule lekha, comma and inverted comma, COMMA, comma and inverted comma are omitted. Comma and inverted comma are omitted. Inverted comma are omitted. Third rule lekha, change the tense. Fourth rule lekha, change the WH or H question. Change the WH or H question. WH or H. H for human. H. Like change the WH or H question into declarative sentence. Let me continue students. हमें ताले देखिबा WH रे H कोन देखो पहिले WH रे हमरा कोन आसीबो what, where, when, who, whom ये क्या सी गला. अच्छा H कोन पहिले भाई काहे नस्तु हे पछी कोन भाई बतानी भी कोई WH कोन जे पिलांकर माडे तो बोल लागो देखो अब H वर्ड कोन हैला आओ WH वर्ड हैला what W स्टार्टिंग हे थेबो what, when, where, which, how एगुडा का WH वर्ड कहउछु कि से गुडे सप्लीमेंट करछि H वर्ड मींस कोन H O W how ताल रूल ऑन द क्वेश्चन लगा what do last Sunday देखो what did you do last Sunday एटा लिखा नहीं listen to me what did you do last Sunday एटा को इंटररोगेटिव आसीबो WH ना H WH अच्छा how is your father H द क्वेश्चन लगा he said to me inverted comma start करो he said to me inverted comma start करो what did you do last Sunday what did you do last Sunday पिले ए ओडिया रे टिके बुझीबा को चेष्टा कर अधिकांश तो बोर्ड अछि ओडिया बोर्ड रो पिला छ केते जन सीबीएसई और आईसीएसई रे थिबो से क्वेश्चन कहछि ही सेड टू मी व्हाट डिड यू डू लास्ट संडे जेते बेले हमरा कन्वर्सेशन होवे दुई जन के भीतर कन्वर्सेशन होवे का भीतर फर्स्ट पर्सन आ जने होछि सेकंड पर्सन ये दुई जन को छाडी की आ जने इंडिविजुअली जे रहिलो समस्त जने थर्ड पर्सन तेणु मु जेते बेले कहबी तुमे आंसर देबो कोन मु एटी कोन क्वेश्चन कहउची ही सेड टू मी व्हाट डिड यू डू लास्ट संडे एटी प्रथम देखो व्हाट डिड यू डू लास्ट संडे व्हाट डिड लगी छी माने ये को टेंस रे अछि पास्ट दिले कोन हबो पास्ट परफेक्ट प्रथम रूल को पढे आस सिंपल पास्ट दिले पास्ट परफेक्ट ताले देखो आंसर लिखो he asked me he asked me what I had done, what I had done last Sunday कौन हबो the previous Sunday, last year कौन हबो previous year, last week रे कौन हबो previous week, बुझी पतो ना नहीं last week हेला previous week, last match रा previous match, last examination previous examination. चल पहले देखो he said to me what did you do last Sunday, आंसर कौन हैला he asked me what I had done the previous Sunday, I had done past perfect हैला नि कि did हैला I had done बुझो जदी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हैला आपको आउरी भी तम पई हमें सेल्फ मेड आउरी इजी मेथड करै दबा किंतु मु जानु जे प्रथम टिके कॉम्प्लिकेशन रो आसो केबा mo लागि टाइम अछि सेकंड लेखो सेकंड क्वेश्चन he said to me where have you been, he said to me where have you been, he said to me where have you been, said to me जगह रे कोन करबा he asked me लेखो he asked me, he asked me where को where रहिला he asked me where you बदल कोन हबो I, he asked me where I रहिला I पर have रे कोन जो क्वेश्चन had been, he asked me where I had been, जाने मुझे तो इसे करते हैं बिना रिपीटेडली क्लास में नहीं किसी असुविधा नहीं अब ले क्वेश्चन मार्क रहिबनी क्वेश्चन मार्क स्टेटमेंट हे जिवो इन्वर्टेड कमा रहिबनी आ हमर जो कमा भी मध्ये रहिबनी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 लेखो my teacher said to me my teacher said to me my teacher said to me why did not you inverted विचारे why repeat करूची पिले my teacher said to me why did not you come to class yesterday, come to class yesterday, my teacher said to me अपिले क्वेश्चन रे देखिबा he said to me sorry my teacher said to me why did not you come to class yesterday, my teacher said to me कौन होगा my teacher asked me लिख दियो my teacher asked me पिले भाई की भाई रहिला did टा अछि माने एटा को टेंस रे अछि सिंपल पास्ट तेले कोन हबो पास्ट परफेक्ट did अछि पास्ट परफेक्ट did तिले कोन हबो did रो पास्ट परफेक्ट कोन हबो had done हैला had done लेख क्वेश्चन द आंसर my teacher asked me why I did not come जगह रे कोन हबो had not come, why I had not come to the class, why I had not come to class कम जगह रे कम came कम हैला v1 came हैला v2 कम हैला कोन v3 कमिंग हैला v4 कम हैला v5 प्रत्येक वर्ब रो पांचटा फॉर्मेट रही तेणु आमर बीट अछि बोली हार्ड पर V3 लागिबो तेणु आंसर हैला व्हाई आई हैड नॉट कम टू क्लास। अच्छा यस्टरडे कोन हबो किंबा देबी जोटा लिखुचे गोटेला क्वेश्चन हबो क्वेश्चन। अच्छा आउ तो रिपीट करूची माय टीचर सेड टू मी व्हाई डिड नॉट यू कम टू क्लास यस्टरडे। My teacher asked me why I had not come to class yesterday. रे कौन होगा the previous day or the day before, the previous day or the day before। अब लास्ट क्वेश्चन के लिए देखिए he said to me, he said to me what have you done, what have you done, what have you done so far, what have you done so far, so far FAR जेते तू सम so far। अच्छा पहले ताल देखिबा आंसर कहले देखिबा he said to me what have you done so far। देखो he said to me जगह रे he asked me बसे गला टेंशन नंबर 9 what to what रहिला। अच्छा he said to me जगह रे he asked me कर देला what to what रहिला हाफ पास्ट टेंस कोन what I had done so far, what I had done so far, what I had done so far, what I had done so far। तापर किले लिखि दियो इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस एच क्वेश्चन यस क्वेश्चन उठा देखिबा लेखो लेखो my teacher asked me, my teacher asked me how did you, how did you solve 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 the problem। My teacher asked me how did you solve the problem SOLVE solve the problem। तर आमे कोन करबा माय टीचर सेट दिले आमे लिखि दिले सेट कर दिले ना कोन कहि आंसर दे दिले फास्ट ऑलरेडी मु आंसर कहि देइ तुम सेट कर दो सेट रहि जिवो किंतु तमे एटी कोन करबो जे दुटे इंटरोगेटिव क्वेश्चन अछि माय टीचर आस्क्ड मी हां टोल्ड ना क्वेश्चन क्वेश्चन में हबो वांटेड टू नो हबो इंक्वायर्ड हबो तेनु माय टीचर आस्क्ड मी how I had solved the problem, how I had solved the problem SOLVED hard पर V3 रहिबो solve 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 how I had solved the problem। हां क्वेश्चन जवाब लिखा है my teacher said to me, my teacher ने आस्क टू काटी थी सेट से करो my teacher said to me इन्वर्टेड कॉमा स्टार्ट करो my teacher said to me इन्वर्टेड कॉमा स्टार्ट करो how did you solve the problem, how did you solve the problem। आंसर लिखो पहले my teacher asked me how I had solved how I had solved SOLVED solve the problem. अच्छा पिले आमे जो इंटरगेटिव फॉर्मेट बर्तन डाकिले केतेटा होमवर्क दउछि टिके टाइम लागू किंतु मो जे कॉन्सेप्ट इंटरगेटिव का आरंभ करि थांदे देखिबा पिले फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन he said he said can you he said can you do this work can you do this work can you do this work second question he said to me he said to me do you watch television do you watch television television third question Sushil said to me Sushil 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 said to me is the bank open today is the bank open today is the bank open 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 today next question lekha he said to me inverted ଭିତରେ can you help me can you help me can you help me inverted next question lekha he said to me are you reading the newspaper are you reading the newspaper are you reading the newspaper पिला एटा दिला हमर एस नो क्वेश्चन अब डब्ल्यूएच रो पांचटा देख ये पांच डब्ल्यूएच रो पांच लेख he said to me WH he said to me where is Hirakud where is Hirakud next second question lekha he said to me why have you cheated others cheated cheated others my teacher said to me which is the first month of the year which is the first month of the year first month of the year नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लेखो he said to me where are you where are you where are you from where are you from last question he said to me how many brothers how many brothers have you how many brothers have you Below 10 questions are given କାହାକୁ ନ ଆସୁ କି ଆସୁ ଡଜଣ୍ଟ ମ୍ୟାଟର କିନ୍ତୁ ଟ୍ରାଇ ୟୋର ବେଷ୍ଟ ଯଦି ନ ହେଲା ବି ମତେ ପଚାରିବ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ବୁଝି ପାରିଲିନି ଯୋଉ ପିଲା ନ ବୁଝି ପାରିବ କ୍ଲାସ ସରିଲା ପରେ पर्सनली ମୋ ପାଖରେ 15-20 ମିନିଟ ବୁଝି ପାରିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ବ୍ଲାଙ୍କ୍ ଆନ୍ସର କହିକି ଆସିବନି ଯେମିତି ହେଲେ କ୍वेଶ୍चन ର ଆଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟ ହବ ଆନ୍ସର କରିବା ପାଇଁ
लॉजिक